Hello and welcome, dear students. This particular learning target, we are going to glean through the learning targets that from the point from where we had left before the examination, and then from where we began. This is being shared after a fortnight. We have touched upon on killing a tree. It's a poem in a beehive. We have also attempted the workbook direct and indirect speech, and we have also touched upon the research on various topics, that is pandemic. We've also learned to use the Roberts thesaurus. Now we are gleaning through what was touched earlier and from where we need to begin. We have also touched upon If I Were You. It's a drama, a one act play in Beehive. The portion that we have touched, make a note of it, and from where you need to begin. You need to revisit a travelogue, a brochure. These are the writing formats, and this is the website that is given, spark.adobe.com. Kindly visit that and explore it, and we need to discuss in the classes. Revision and error analysis of our question paper will be done term 1 for term 1 examination. Revisiting direct and indirect speech, that means most of our stories, the selections are in direct speech. We need to learn to write or report in our answers. And then If I Were You, question answers to be attempted, irony and various figures of speech to be attempted during the week, and analysis and goal setting for the term 2. Students are also requested to make a note of the topic that we need to begin, where we are lagging behind, that is the topic, the bond of love. We had actually left this particular target and we were into revision. With this, we will pause, and the students are expected to explore further on their own. Kindly make a note that the grammar topics, that is clauses, noun clauses, adverbial clauses, conditional clauses of time, all these have been deleted by the CBSE, but we need to understand this grammar for in order to write in the examination. Lesson House is Not a Home, from a supplementary reader. And the week, The Snake Trying, it's a poem. With this, we will be completing this particular week. The remaining we will continue in the next week. Thank you very much, students, for paying attention. And the students need to begin researching for their speaking and listening, that is pandemic, and what India has, what initiatives were taken by India in order to combat the spread of pandemic. The students need to collect an analytic data, use that while talking. The students are requested to go into groups and practice. One person needs to introduce himself or herself, talk about the topic. The partner needs to pose a question. The person needs to respond to the question with analytic data, and then the partner is supposed to introduce himself or herself and then speak on the topic. The first person who has already spoken is supposed to ask a question, and the second person is supposed to respond to it using analytic data, and both need to complete the conversation. The objective is taking turns, and the topic is pandemic and the initiatives taken by India during the pandemic. The focus is use of analytic data. That means the students should be able to use values and use the language of comparison, increased, decreased, etc. This should be the language that the students should use. Kindly begin your research and make a note of it. The pre-writing should be done, the speech writing, the expression should be rich. That means the content should be rich, the language should be rich in order to succeed in this assessment, that is assessments of speaking and listening and enrichment. Students are expected to complete their notebook work and submit on weekly basis, and also submit a video of their notebook in the Flipgrid. It should be done on weekly basis. There's 5 marks for notebook, there are 5 marks for speaking and listening. These are for internal assessments. The students should also be prepared for the periodic assessment 2 by the after the winter break, that is in January. So this is a long-term target that I have already explained in detail. The students need to glean the portion from here, this particular target, learning target video, and take down all the grammar that has been covered, discussed or attempted in the workbook with focus in usage. The students are expected to explore further and learn more and attempt exercises independently on their own and bring their doubts to the class so that the doubts can be addressed. Students have made a note of that. There are questions, there are focused questions on based on asset. The students need to focus on those kind of objectives like analyzing the character, analyzing a play, analyzing the plot and giving opinion. Then use of vocabulary builder. These vocabulary builder is for the cognitive ability. In order to expand your cognitive ability, you need to develop your vocabulary using thesaurus, Robert's thesaurus. Try learning synonyms and antonyms and try using those words in your writing. Underline those words and try using that in your speaking and listening as well, so that it becomes an active part of your language. There is no date listed over here for submission of your rough work of speaking listening. The students are supposed to maintain that pre-writing in the notebook. When the notebook is to be collected for the week, this particular pre-writing will be collected along with that. There will be no extra assignment post for collecting the pre-writing of speaking and listening. Summarizing the learning targets have been given right from October onwards, from the point where we had left for a revision for half-yearly examinations. The students are expected to glean the grammar, the literature topics from Beehive and from the supplementary reader, that is Moments, and attempt all the question answers. If any part of writing format has been missed out by any of the students, there are those writing formats also to be attempted. The exercises from the textbook of the topics, those are shown in this particular video, the learning targets, those are to be attempted in the notebook. And the language that is expected of the students are expected to develop that language. The figures of speech, like for example irony, the students need to explore further and be prepared for the lessons for the coming week. Thank you very much for your kind attention.